welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. Almost everybody likes to eat rice, but have you ever drunk rice stock? Do you know that drinking rice stock is very healthy? Many people throw away lots of nutrients of food like rice stock. But after watching this video, you will not throw away the rice stock. Rice stock is the water remaining in the pot of boiled rice. It is very nutritious. It contains proteins, vitamins and minerals which are healthy as well as good for your skin and hair. Rice stock is very beneficial for people who often have stomach problems. Drinking this will also improve your digestion. Apart from this, rice stock also helps with diarrhea and constipation. Due to the high level of carbohydrates present in it, rice stock energizes our body very quickly. Even if you are tired, you can drink this. It can strengthen your body and sharpen your brain. It also helps with Alzheimer's disease and improves your brain functioning.
Rice stock is also beneficial for dead skin, cleansing, toning, and lightening hyperpigmentation, sun and age spots, rashes, etc. You don't need to use the cosmetics that damage your skin. You can get glowing skin with just using this stock. Simply dip a piece of cotton into rice stock and then apply it to your clean skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it with normal water. Along with this, do not forget to drink this stock. The starch present in rice water helps heal the dead cells in eczema. Applying fresh rice water for 15 to 20 days on the affected areas cures eczema, burnt skin, and skin inflammation.
Rice stock helps in controlling high blood pressure due to its low sodium level. Rice is considered to be one of the best diets for patients of high blood pressure or hypertension.
Rice stock also helps in reducing weight. Just drink 1 glass of rice stock before eating your meal. Also, add 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seed powder, mint paste or leaves and 2 pinches of Himalayan rock salt, and if you like spicy taste, then chop some green chilies finely and add them to it and drink it warm. This is tasty as well as healthy. Rice stock is very good for your hair. If you have thin and weak hair, then just wash your hair with rice stock. By doing this, not only your hair would increase but also shine. Just apply rice stock to your hair and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and wash them with herbal shampoo and conditioner. You can get beautiful and shiny hair without any costly treatment.
It can also help with cancer. Scientists believe that rice stock has cancer suppressing nutrients and maybe it is a reason behind intestine cancer prevention. Drink the rice stock regularly and you will start noticing healthy difference in yourself. That is all for today. If you like the video, please hit like button and subscribe to our channel and hit bell icon and share this video with your friends. Stay healthy, stay fit. God bless you.